Hello guys, I warmly welcome for today's session. Today's session we are going to start at advanced Excel. Okay, so before advanced Excel we are going for the Excel. Okay, so what is advanced Excel and why we are going to use advanced Excel? What is the purpose of using advanced Excel? Right? How the advanced Excel impacted the IT industries? Okay, so advanced Excel tool and techniques for analyzing data. So first of all we are going to talk about the modules of the tools. So tool, first of all you are going to learn advanced Excel. After advanced Excel you're going for Power BI. After Power BI you go for tabular. So this is a sequence of the tool guys. Okay, like once you are learning the tool, like sometime what happen, people don't know and they just want to do like advanced Power BI, but if you don't know advanced Excel, so you will not understand Power BI well. If you don't know Power BI, you will not understand the tableau basically. So these are the sequence of the tool. Like lot of people just miss it out. They have a miss guidelines. They don't know what they have to do and what time first you have to start it. So first of all you have to start advanced Excel. After advanced Excel you have to go for Power BI. After Power BI you go for tableau. So this is a sequence of this. Okay. So advanced Excel using for what? Like as I told you previously also, like advanced Excel we have to use for, like we are able to do the mathematical operation. We are able to create different kinds of report as well, like weekly report, quarterly report, half yearly, annually, right? So it's based on the requirement, like a weekly, like Monday to Sunday as per the company policy, Monday to Friday. Like if we talk about annual, so January to December. If we talk about like monthly, so monthly you can see like Jan to December, monthly wise individual. Okay, day wise as well. Okay, so in that case we have to use the advanced Excel. We are able to create different kinds of business projection as well, right? Business projection like any colleges, university, or any particular company, right? In that case you go for the advanced Excel. Advanced Excel is a really important tool for the any company. All the company work in the advanced Excel for data analysis, business analysis, and data science. Okay, so once you go for any data analyst job or any business analyst, data science, so you must have to know the advanced Excel. Okay, so this tool really helpful for all of the student. Okay, if you know these things, even in basic you can start your job as a fresher. Okay, and it will definitely help you out once you know the advanced Excel. So as you can see guys, advanced Excel tool how I look like. So this is a user interface of the advanced Excel. As you can see, this is a ribbon, home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, and view. Okay, and this is also called tab, like home tab. Once you click you can see certain tools which one you are going to use for data analysis. You can analyze your data. Like insert, once you click you have a certain tools which one you can use and analyze your data. So each of the tab we have a different tool which one you can use for data analysis. Okay, sorry. So what you have to do first, you can just see to one, once you open the Excel, so see row represent by numbers as you can see, and column represent by alphabets, right? So here in sheet 1 by default coming, if I want sheet 2, see once a row and column cross to each other, they make the space. This is called cell. What is it? Cell, where you can enter the values and you can do the calculation and any report purpose as well. Okay, so in sheet 1 I want to insert the sheet 2, sheet 3, but I don't want to click on the plus icon. I want short key. So see, in laptop, like some laptop it will support like Fn, shift and function key F11. Some laptop like suppose you are using external keyboard, so in that case shift F11 you have to press. You can see you can insert number of sheet here. Okay, clear? So here I just want to check number of row. See, control down arrow once you press. I will write the short key later on guys, don't worry about it. So you can see control down and I'm able to check here 10,48,576 rows. Did you see here? Here you can see the bottom 10,48,576 rows. Fine. And control up arrow, there is a 4 arrow, it will make a normal. Now I want to check number of rows column, like rows by formula also, column and number of cells. See, here I can just select it and merge and center. Merge and center, you have to use alternate H and press 2 times M, merge. So here I want to write how to check number of row and column. Okay, number of row, column and cells. So simply have to take it center up, and I can increase the font size, and you can make it bold. If you want any background color, choose the color. Okay, any formal color. Now I want to apply the border here. So see, for border you have to use alternate HBA, alternate HBA for all border. See, you have to press simple alternate HB, just leave it. See, you will get all the short key guys here. See, alternate HBO for bottom border, alternate HB P. So you can see top border left, you have to use alternate HBL for left. For right you have to use R. No border, alternate HBN. So you can see for each of them smartly, you can see here, and you can check out your short keys. You don't need to like you have to keep remembering every time. Okay, if not possible, so this is where you can check what is the short key for border, top, bottom, left, right, all border, no border. Okay, thick outside border, any specific one. So I want all, I press A, so you can see all border, set it here. Now I want to check guys, let me tell you, this is called formula bar. Okay, whatever formula you're writing in Excel, it always show on the formula bar. In Excel formula we always start with the equal sign, equals to rows, not row, rows. Here you have to put A colon A. You can put a small a or capital A. Colon means reference. You can see here guys, all selected here, the columns. Enter. You can see 10 lakh 48,576. Again I want to check equals to row, column. So you have to write here columns. Here you have to give in like 1 colon 1. Okay, close the bracket. So you can see all the rows selected. 16,384 equals to, I want to see number of cells. Very simple, row into column or column into row. So I will simply select here and multiply row into column. Very simple, enter. So you can see 1 million something the cell we have it. Okay, so this is where you can check it here. Now let's come to the next. Suppose I want to rename the sheet. Okay, so some people what they do, right click and they rename. I don't want this. I just very simple, I double click on this, rename, like I want Jan, monthly, I want Feb, any particular one, you can change it. Okay. So we are doing the basic Excel now. Once you complete the basic, then you go for advanced. Once you learn anything guys, first of all you should know the core. Core means basic, then you go for advanced. That would be help you a lot. Okay, now see, I just given one, I want to make a serial number. You have to come the bottom of the cell, look at the plus icon and simple drag it here. Okay. Even this way if not coming, you don't need to worry about it. Like a simple, you have to make an entry like this, 1 and 2 as well. Make sure once you use Excel, use the external mouse, it will help you to drag. Okay, simple drag it, I can see here. Okay. Another way I want to make a serial number, S dot and no. This is a way you can make it, like I given alphabets A1, B1, C1 like this, and simply have to drag it. I can see. Suppose I am looking for the month or weekdays. Suppose you want to write somewhere. I don't want to type manual MONDAY like this. So simply have to type here and drag it here. See. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. That's it. Even I just copy this, control C copy. I want to paste somewhere like a notepad or any particular, I will simply paste it here, control N, I just paste here, you can see here. So this way you can save your time as well guys, right? You don't need to type manual. Again here I type like a Monday sort MON like this. Nowadays this trend going on, people looking this format, you can copy this also. Same way going for the months like January and simple drag it, October, November, December, leave it. And here I want short form like Jan like this, and simply have to drag it. You can see here, hold this and simple drag it, you can see. That's it. So this is way you can make it your weekdays and months. Next I want to check like current date and time. Let's look at some basic formula here. Equals now. See, once you write the formula, press tab in your keyboard, tab keyboard key, okay? So in that case your opening bracket will come enter, so you can see current date and time. If I want to see current date only, equals to today, and you can see here. If I want to see my own times, equals to time tab hours, minute and second. This is a great feature in the Excel. All parameters just showing here. Hours suppose I given 12, comma, minute like I given 2, second I given 1, okay, and enter. Now you can see your own time. Same thing I want to do with the short keys here. I want to see current time, control shift semicolon. So see current time, I want to see current date, control semicolon only, you can see current date only, okay. So this one you can use with the short key as well. And here you can see I've already mentioned the formula. This is way you can write here, that will help you. Excel basic formula, like if you want to check the number of rows, so you can see A colon A I mentioned. If you want to check number of columns, equals column 1 colon 1. If you want to check the current date and time, equals to now. If you want to check the current date only, so equals to today. If you want to check our own time, so equals time, and 3 parameters hours, minute and seconds. And if you want to check the current time using short keys like control plus shift and semicolon. And if you want to check the current time only, so control plus semicolon only you have to press. If you want to add new sheet like just now I taught you guys, like Fn you have to use in your keyboard, Fn key plus shift and plus F11 function key. If you want to merge the cell together, alternate H and press M 2 times, okay. You have to press M 2 times. If you want to add the all border, okay, so you have to use alternate HBA for all, like I showed you the short key there, alternate HB press and you are able to see all the key. And if you want to remove the border from a data set, you have to use alternate HBN, okay. This is where you can simple use it, okay. Now if you want to drag and drop the data set from here, simply have to select this. See, look at the, once you hover the cursor, you can simply hold it and drag and drop anywhere. You can see, you can drag and drop anywhere if you want. See, even I can hold from here also, I can drag and drop it here. So please take care for this. So this is where you can simply drag and drop it, okay. And this is the basic formula we discuss here. And serial number, how to use the weekdays and months. Weekday for complete with the complete spelling, in the short even for the month I can make a with complete spelling, so Jan to December, and in the short also like JAN, Jan format. And we check it current date and times, equals now. Want to see current date, equals, see, once you click here you can see the formula. Suppose you want to forget your formula, I have your data set, you want to cross check what is the formula basically here, simple click on the cell, you can see the formula, equal now we use, then you can see current date and time. So this is where you can track it. And merge and center I taught you, like alternate H and press 2 time M, Okay, so this is where you can going to use it. Okay, so that's it for today's session, and then we see in the next session. Okay guys, keep learning and keep growing. Okay, thank you so much.